So, in this video, I will show you how to get bro flow and maintain it for a very long time. So let's get started without wasting any time. There are many bro flow haircuts out there, and these 10 are the most popular. Taper flow, mid flow with part, flowy pompadour, slick bro flow with semi-part, surfer flow, smooth side swept, curly flow with fade, swept bob, long and curly, and mullet flow. Now, let's see how to achieve it the right way. The important part of bro flow is the length of your hair. The front part of your hair should be long enough to reach the tip of your nose. If it is too short, it might fall into your face when you comb it back, messing up the style. Overall, your hair should be about neck to shoulder length, which is around 15 to 18 centimeters. This gives you enough length to create that flowy effect while still being short enough to control. Since hair grows about 1.2 centimeters each month, reaching that length could take 6 to 12 months. While you're waiting for your hair to grow, regular visits to the hairdresser are very important. This ensures that your hair is trimmed and shaped correctly while it grows out, and that the style does not become too messy or unmanageable during growth. When discussing the haircut with your barber, mention that you want enough length on top to push your hair back naturally, and that the sides should blend well with the top without being too sharp or severe. Some of you may question, bro flow suit my face shape and hair type? Well, one of the great things about the bro flow hairstyle is that it works for a wide range of face shape and hair types. Whether you have a round, square, or oval face, this style can be customized to suit your features. Men with wavy or curly hair will find it particularly easy to achieve, as the natural texture of their hair lends itself well to the style's movement and volume. However, it takes more effort with straight hair to enjoy this look, but it can be done with the right styling products and techniques. The versatility of this hairstyle makes it a great option for anyone, whether you are a teenager or a senior. It enhances the features of both younger and older men. For younger guys, it adds a sense of maturity, while for older men, it offers a youthful, fresh appearance without looking forced. And if you want to up the masculinity factor, adding a beard to the look can give the style a more rugged and robust edge. To keep your hair in top condition, incorporate these tips into your daily routine while growing hair. So, many men think that washing your hair is just a matter of wetting it, applying any shampoo, and rinsing it out. But there is a bit more to it than that. Start by choosing a mild shampoo that matches the natural pH value of your scalp. This will help prevent irritation and maintain the natural balance of your hair. Focus on your scalp when washing, as this is where dirt and product buildup accumulate. It is also important to give your hair a break from washing every now and then, as overwashing can strip your hair of its natural oils. I recommend washing your hair every second or third day. After washing, a conditioner can provide additional moisture and protect your hair from split ends. For even more nourishment, consider using a deep conditioning treatment every few weeks. This will help seal the hair's cuticle layer, ensuring your hair stays shiny and healthy. Just be careful not to over-condition, as too much conditioning can weigh down your hair and make it look flat. When you reach the desired hair length, it is time for the right cut. Ask your hairdresser or barber to cut the hair in layers towards the bottom. The layers will help add movement and shape, keeping the style from looking too heavy or flat as your hair continues to grow. After the final cut, it is time to style bro flow. First, wash your hair using a good quality shampoo and conditioner that suits your hair type, then gently towel dry it. It is really important to leave your hair damp, not soaking wet, because damp hair is much easier to manage and style. Next, apply a lightweight styling product such as mousse, sea salt spray, or a light styling cream. I recommend avoiding heavy gels or pomades, as they can make your hair look stiff or greasy, which goes against the natural flow of the bro flow. Make sure to distribute the product evenly throughout your hair, using your fingers to work it from the roots to the tips. If your hair is straight, you can apply a bit of hair gel or wax when your hair is still damp for added texture, but don't go overboard. When shaping your hair, it is all about creating natural texture. So use your fingers instead of a comb or brush. Push your hair back casually to create that relaxed, swept back look. This style is all about movement, so focus on keeping your face with your hair flowing away to maintain a soft, voluminous appearance. If you want more volume, consider blow drying your hair on a low or medium heat setting. Direct the airflow backward while continuing to shape your hair with your fingers. This helps you keep that effortless casual look while adding extra hold and volume. Once your hair is either dry or nearly dry, use your fingers to refine the flow and let your natural waves or curls show through if you have them. To finish off the style, if you need some extra hold, apply a light hairspray or finishing spray. Just use it sparingly so your hair still looks natural and flowy. You can leave the hair a bit messier and more undone for a more casual, everyday look. Use a light pomade or cream to add definition, but avoid sticking the hair down too much. The goal is to maintain the hair's natural movement, so less is more when it comes to styling products. For a more polished, formal look, you can smooth the hair back a bit more using a medium hold product that provides control without making the hair look stiff. A light mist of hairspray can help keep everything in place without sacrificing the flow. The BroFlow is flexible, allowing you to style your hair differently each day. You can go for a man bun by tying your hair up, foaming a bun at the back of your head, and securing it with a hair tie. Another option is the half bun, where you tie the top part of your hair into a bun around the ear level while the lower part is left to hang naturally. If you prefer, you can also wear your hair down as usual, either with a side part or a middle part. The BroFlow allows you to switch up your look whenever you like. Even though the BroFlow is a relatively low-maintenance hairstyle, regular trims are essential to keep it looking sharp. I recommend visiting the hairdresser every 4 to 8 weeks. This will help you maintain the layers and prevent split ends from forming. This not only ensures that your hair looks great, but also promotes healthier hair growth. Well, why just grow your hair for 6 months alone? Work on building a V-shaped body parallel to it. If so, watch this video to get a V-shaped body in under 6 months.